morning and welcome to today's 5 with Fitz. Stocks are trying to make a run higher after yesterday's sell-off, but I am not certain there's enough buying to make it stick yet. Here's my playbook. Number 1, oil at 7-year highs. Do you own enough? I've recommended several oil companies recently because they offer a combination of ultra-low beta, meaning they're less volatile than the broader markets, a great breakthrough portfolio designed to move them beyond dinosaur juice they produce now, and, critically, an immediate plan to make the most out of current energy reserves. The WTC hit $78 a barrel, a 7-year high. I think it goes higher. And frankly, most investors could double their oil investments, yet still not have enough. 2, rebound or not, I'm not buying. Facebook shares are up 1% in the early going after a brutal 5% sell-off yesterday following the whistleblower's shocking 60 Minutes interview. Facebook has chosen obfuscation, power, and profits over users and safety, and I think the 60 Minutes interview is, frankly, the tip of the iceberg. Facebook, boy, wow, what a slip. Facebook may not be able to pull out of this one unless there's a coup at the very top to restore faith. Not that I had anything to do with it, but here's what I said yesterday morning ahead of the opening to the fabulous Stuart Varney on Fox Business Network when he asked me if I'd consider buying the stock. Point number 3, this could be one of America's favorite chip makers and it could put it back on the map. Intel is launching a second-gen chip with the goal of expanding the company's neuromorphic computing effort. That's a $5 word for the technology that mimics human nervous system and a key stepping stone to more advanced AI. Point number 4, rapid COVID tests. At last. I mean, what out for nothing? We're 2 years into this and they're just getting around to this, but here's the thing. There's a handful of companies working on COVID-19 breathalyzers capable of producing test results in as little as 30 seconds. It's too early to pick a winner, but this speaks to the constantly accelerating science we're following. What they do with the data is the real investment for now. Shades of Palantir or shares of Palantir, anybody? The company just announced a mixed shelf offering, and I think those worried about dilution are off base for reasons I laid out in yesterday's alert for paid 1 bar ahead subscribers. If you're not one of them and would like to know more, click here. If not, that's totally cool with me. Point number 5, one pot stock you can bank on? You know, I've been giving this a lot of thought, but income-starved investors in search of a lasting buzz might consider taking a look at innovative industrial properties. Shares are down nearly 10.4% from the company's most recent 52-week highs. Boy, I love these plays on words. The yield is just 2.64%, but critically, the company continues to add to its portfolio of licensed cannabis growth properties. And that makes it interesting. Today's bottom line, many people feel the compulsion to do something, especially if they're new to investing or trading, and that is not true. In fact, some of the best and most profitable decisions are to do nothing. Owning the right stocks is what gives you the confidence needed to do so. Let that sink in. You got this, I promise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching today's Morning 5 with Fitz. Click subscribe to get daily market notes right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email versions at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and more.